Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel IT4U. Today we are going to discuss about enabling and disabling Ethernet from Ethernet settings. For this we will firstly use a shortkey, ncpa.cpl, which we write on Windows Run dialog box to directly access to the Ethernet setting option. So, now here we get the network connection screen. We can see the Ethernet icon over here. So now we just need to right-click on the Ethernet icon and select the disable option. One more thing I must need to tell you that currently I have not connected with the Ethernet cable, but we still can enable or disable the Ethernet. So now, as we have disabled the Ethernet a couple of seconds ago, to enable it again we just need to follow the previous step. Just right-click on the Ethernet icon again and you will find the enable option over there. Just click on it and the Ethernet will enable again. Thank you for watching. How you all like it? For more informative videos related to IT you can comment us on our comment box and must subscribe.